I'm Dr. Manoj Kumar Hazarika, Principal Tezpur College, Assam, India. Distinguished delegates, esteemed faculty members, dear students, and our respected partners from the Russian Presidential Academy of National Economy and Public Administration Donetsk branch. It is with immense pride and optimism that I welcome you all to this youth scientific dialogue on Russia and India, economy, education, culture, unity in diversity between Tezpur College and Ranepa Donetsk branch. Today's interaction symbolizes more than an academic exchange. It represents a bridge between civilization. India and Russia have historically shared a relationship built on trust, mutual respect, and strategic cooperation. From economic partnership to educational collaboration and rich cultural exchange, our two nations have demonstrated how diversity can become a source of strength rather than division. As an institution located in the culturally vibrant region of Assam, Tezpur College believes deeply in the philosophy of unity in diversity. Our youth embody the spirit of inquiry, innovation, and intellectual dialogue. By connecting with students and scholars from Ranepa Donetsk branch, we are expanding intellectual horizon and nurturing global citizenship. This scientific dialogue is particularly significant in today's world where economic transformation, technological advancement, and cultural understanding must go hand in hand. Our discussion on economy will explore new opportunities for sustainable development and entrepreneurship. Our engagement in education will strengthen academic cooperation, research exchange, and knowledge sharing, and our celebration of culture will remain as the depict geographical distance. Our human aspirations remain universal. Let this dialogue inspire collaborative research, student mobility initiatives, and long term institutional partnership. May our youth become ambassador of peace, innovation, and cooperation between Russia and India. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all organizers and participants. Together, let's transform the dialogue into enduring relationship or partnership. Thank you.
Я на видео. Я на видео снимаю. правильно.